Hello friends, welcome to Nxt Invent Solutions official YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to uninstall bloatwares from Android smartphone without root. So let's get started. What is bloatware? Bloatware are the pre-installed application in Android smartphone which are not in use by users. These applications consume your storage, battery, and RAM and slow down your phone. First thing first, make sure to take backup of your smartphone. I hope you take your backup and ready to uninstall bloatwares. Prerequisites. We need 4 things to do it. 1. Computer with internet connection. 2. Data cable. 3. Android smartphone. 4. Package name of the application you want to uninstall. All links can be found in description. We will do this in 5 steps. Step 1, open developer mode of Android smartphone and start USB debugging option. Step 2, download ADB tool from internet. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge Tool, is the official tool of Android. Step 3, connect smartphone with computer using data cable. Step 4, check package name of the application. Package name is the unique name for every Android application. To know package name of application, download the app from link is in description or search Play Store for Package Name Viewer 2.0. Suppose we want to uninstall voice recorder pre-installed app. First we check if we can uninstall this app from our Android smartphone or not, by using Android uninstaller tool. Shown we cannot uninstall this app from our smartphone by using Android uninstaller tool. Step 4, open command prompt in the ADB tool folder and run commands. For example, PM uninstall k user 0 com section android.app voice note. Com section android.app voice note is the package name for voice recorder app. After writing above command, hit enter. If everything goes right, it will show you a success message. Check your mobile if your app is uninstalled or not. Now check if app is uninstalled from your mobile or not. Thank you for watching this video. If you found anything knowledgeable in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Nxt Invent Solutions YouTube channel.